Hello everyone. So today the topic is becoming a speaking warrior. Today is Sunday morning and you woke up so early. You didn't sleep in. So you can't do the meeting, and because you have a purpose. You have the desire to build up your speaking confidence, right? So I think you all deserve the title called Speaking Warriors. And warrior, why warriors? When you hear the word warrior, what images do you think of in your mind?
Stephen Curry.
Stephen Curry! Yeah, Stephen Curry. What else? Do we have another warrior? There are two of them. One is the warrior in the ancient time. One is warrior in the basketball field. And do you notice that they have something in common? And what are they? Confidence. Yeah, the way they stand show confidence, right? So can you all stand up? Yeah, now can you all stand up? And then can you give me a power pose, just like a warrior? Because you are a speaking warrior. Can you show that? And then can you talk to your neighbor? You are truly a speaking warrior. You are truly a speaking warrior. So now you all feel that power pose. Okay, you can have a seat. So you can see warrior, they are physically strong. They will show their confidence. But they are also mentally strong. They know how to take their anxiety under control. So they are able to take a bold move to embrace the challenge. Right? So there are two characteristics. Warriors are physically strong and mentally strong. So today, there are two topics that I would like to talk about. It doesn't work. Yeah, so there are two topics I would like to talk about. First is about how to build up your speaking confidence. And the second one is how to control your speaking anxiety. So that starts with the first one. How to cultivate speaking confidence. I believe you have your own ways to do that. So now, can you have, I will give you 1 minute to have a discussion with your partner. What is your secret sauce? What is your secret sauce to cultivate your speaking confidence? So now I'm gonna give you 1 minute and you have 30 seconds to share with your partner. And your partner will also have 30 seconds to share with you. Go! Hey.
I think I found some before I speak. I always make it but they control their like to practice every day. So I think that will show. What do you mean? So there are yeah, this kind of bread like
listen to speakers. So I have to tell myself. That's my secret.
Okay, time's up. So, since you're all talkative, I would like to invite two of you to share with me. Not just share with me, share with us. How can you build up your speaking confidence? Anyone? Come on, you are a warrior. Take a bold move. Andrew, right?
Andrew.
Oh, I think it's original from your practice, and not so. You must realize what you want to show, how you want to show your idea, and you have to practice a lot of times before you go to the stage, and also after stage you have to practice a lot of time, so you can build up your confidence. Yes, thank you.
Yeah, preparation is important when it comes to speaking. And what else? Claro.
I would say I want to have a good facial expression because whenever I forget what's my next line, I will keep smiling. Yeah, yeah. So when you see my smile, that means I forget my next line. But you laugh, right? So that's my way to cultivate my speaking confidence. Thank you.
So smile is contagious. When your mind goes blank, remember to smile, and your audience will give you support. So today we have learned 2 ways for our audience, and I would like to propose my personal way to cultivate my speaking confidence. It's about self-talk. It's a way of preparation, and self-talk is like talking to yourself. And when will this happen? I mean, when I take a shower. Because when I take a shower, I will feel serene. And that's the best moment to have a conversation with myself. So I would like to know, do you have a habit of having a self-talk? Raise your hand if you have. When do you have a self-talk? Take a shower?
No, not the timing, but whenever I have worry, for example, I don't have time to prepare, then I will tell myself, don't worry, be calm, you're fine. So I always comfort myself, comfort my heart, don't worry about anything. Okay.
Yeah, so you always remind yourself, you have to stay calm. So you will give yourself some positive self-talk.
Yes.
And what else? No? Yeah.
I make a self-talk when I walk in my dog because my dog won't talk to me. So I talk myself. I walk my dog 3 times a day, and in the morning before I will go to work, I will think what to do today, and after my work, I walk my dog and I think and recall what mistake I make or anything I can do better. And when the 3rd time I walk my dog before my sleep, I tell me today I'm good, tomorrow I'll be better. Yeah.
That's a good one. So when you walk your dog, you have the chance to talk to your dog and also talk to yourself. And also remind that you might make some mistakes and remind you to avoid making the same mistakes. Yeah, so how can I do my self-talk? Actually, I will use 5W1H questions. H is about how, the way, how to do something in a better way. And what is about more information, like what's your name? And when, about the time. And who, about characters. And why, about the reason. So if you ask yourself 5W1H questions, you give yourself the chance to let your ideas freely soar in your head, just like these 2 birds. You let your ideas, you brainstorm your ideas, and you give them the chance to fly in your head. And then after that, since when you take a shower, it might take you probably 20 minutes, right? Or maybe some people just 5 minutes. So normally 20 minutes for me. So you probably can spend like a 15 minutes having a self-talk with yourself. Try to brainstorm all the ideas you have. And then you leave 5 minutes to boil down all the ideas into the essence. I mean, the most important things. So you get to know, you use your ego eyes to make your thoughts visible. How can you make your thoughts visible? Because some ideas, they are trivial. And you will try to write down some keywords. You will make maybe a mental note. Since when you are taking a shower, you don't have a notebook. Otherwise, they are wet. But you can take a mental note, and you remember some keywords. So after taking a shower, you probably don't have to directly wear your clothes. You can just quickly take a notebook and then